What's up YouTube? Think Vesting here. Just wanted to share a quick video on the kind of home I want to build and what kind of community that home will be built in. So I'm sharing two short videos, one about the developer and one about the community where I intend to build our home. As always, I'd like to wish everyone continued prosperity and success, and I look forward to seeing you in the next few videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you. Bye.
Every day, Ayala Land. This feeling, this view, this journey, this welcome. This care, this laugh, this beauty, this style. This is how I should live. With Ayala Land, we are given a new beginning every day. A new opportunity to live our lives the way it should be lived. Being able to do everything we can for those who matter. Grabbing every opportunity to grow. Expanding our world with every journey. And because you live every single day, not only for yourself, you aim to do more with every opportunity. To enjoy life every moment possible. To savor the good life with everyone you hold dear. At Ayala Land, we strive to serve every chance we get. Giving you every choice you need. Making convenience available in every turn. Supporting every passion you may have. Connecting you to everyone that counts. Seeing beauty in everything. Giving thanks every chance possible. Offering everyone the chance to grow. Making each experience unforgettable. Building with the future in mind. Doing everything the way it should be. Ayala Land creates master-planned sustainable estates that are designed to enhance the quality of living of Filipino families. by providing a wide range of quality residential choices for every lifestyle and life stage. Creating spaces that encourage bonding and make memorable experiences. Providing expert real estate office solutions. Offering leisure options for everyone. Building quality developments and providing property management services. Striving to meet every need of the community. We at Ayala Land are driven with passion to build sustainable communities. With our name comes a promise that we give our best in everything that we do. Because we truly aspire to be with you everywhere you go. To transform communities, to give you a better life. To celebrate life with you every day. Together, help build a stronger nation. Everyday living redefined. Every day, Ayala Land.
Hi, this is Jake Bautista from Metro Guide Realty and welcome to Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Metro Guide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you a unique guided tour of Nuvali, the country's first and largest eco-city development. To give you an overview, it's a 2,290-hectare mixed-use development by Ayala Land, and it's located in the province of Laguna and covers the city of Santa Rosa, the municipality of Cabuyao, and the city of Calamba. The main purpose of this video is to give you the experience of being able to go through an entire day exploring all the major attractions in Nuvali so that you can answer the very simple question: would you live or invest here? Now let's begin. After a 30 to 45 minute drive coming from Alabang, you turn right to the Santa Rosa exit, turn right to the Tagaytay Santa Rosa Road, and after a few kilometers, you can already see that there are major commercial centers like Paseo de Santa Rosa. Right beside it is a big commercial arcade called Arcadia. And after a few kilometers, you can already see to your right a huge commercial complex called Vista Mall Santa Rosa. And after a few hundred meters, you can see the big Nuvali sign to your right, and we turn left to Nuvali Boulevard. And we can immediately see a change in the environment looking at the wide and tree-lined roads. Let's now take a look at the Nuvali Lakeside. Nuvali has a 4-hectare man-made lake as one of its main attractions coming into Nuvali Boulevard to your left. And this is the view coming from the bridge in the middle of the lake. So let's just take a quick walk around the lake so that you can see for yourself how it's like. As you can see, kids and families are just enjoying, relaxing beside the lake. It's quite peaceful and calm. And walking further down to the end of the lake, I saw that there's a bike rental area. And after that, I realized the environment is an excellent place for cyclists. This is why I saw that some of my friends would just take an entire day biking around up to 50 kilometers worth of bike trails in Nuvali. I then went up and saw this great vantage point and noticed a few details in the landscape.
Hi, so this is the Monochrome. It's a new events place that's about 1 to 2,000 square meters, and it can house big events like weddings and other functions and even corporate functions. And it's a great location along the lake, and as you can see, that is Seda Hotel, which we will actually visit later.
This is a quick look at the monochrome in case you have future events that you want to hold in Nuvali. And this is a look at the 150-room Seda Hotel. This is actually a homegrown boutique hotel brand by Ayala Land. And it's beautifully built, and this is a great view coming from the other side of the lake. Now on the right, you can see these are the Evotech buildings, which are actually specially designed to meet the needs of IT and BPO companies. And right beside it, there's a commercial complex called Solenad 1, which we will now explore. Once you start walking around this area, you cannot miss the beautiful yellow and orange koi fish which gather around this side of the lake. This is because, as of the making of this video, you can actually get some fish feed that you can give them here. And when you look outside, you can see that there are so many quality restaurants and food choices in the area. And sometimes, like today, there's even a market where you can enjoy even more choices of food and drinks. And it's a very festive atmosphere. Now, let's take a look at two quality educational institutions that have made Nuvali their home: Xavier School Nuvali and Miriam College Nuvali.
So welcome. So we're here in Xavier School Nuvali. So this is one of the first established schools inside the Nuvali complex. So it was built in around 2012 for initially 100 students, but now they have kindergarten, grade 1, 2, 3, and they have K1 to 12 curriculum. So as you can see, it's a huge complex already, and this is just an example of one of the educational institutions and schools here in Nuvali that your children can enjoy if ever you want to invest or live here.
Here's an image of the Xavier School Nuvali campus, after which, let's take a short drive to go to a nearby observation deck.
Dito po tayo ngayon sa may Evo Living Parkway, and I just visited this observation deck because this is in one of the fast developing areas here in Nuvali. So this is actually a residential project, itong area na to, so lots are being built here, and I just wanted you to have a look and appreciate the area. So malamig po here dito sa area dahil medyo nag-elevate na yung terrain. And ang maganda po dito is, if you take a look here, medyo covered pa siya with clouds, pero yun na po yung Mount Makiling. And this entire area, if umikot po tayo pa ganon, yung area na yun, that's already Tagaytay. That's actually already Tagaytay Highlands, yung area na yun. And ang maganda po, if you take a look dun sa area na yun, that's actually already Miriam College.
As of the making of this video, Miriam College Nuvali is a 15-hectare educational complex which offers programs from nursery to kindergarten up to grade 10. Now, after this, let's take a look at Camp N. So what is Camp N? Let's take a look.
So now we're here in Camp N, a recreational facility which is actually a great team building location here in Nuvali. So I did a little research here and I saw that they have so many fun things that you can do here. They actually have a zip line, they have running trails, they have bike rentals, they have archery, they have camping, and it adds to the beauty and recreational leisure lifestyle here in Nuvali.
Just to be clear, Camp N also has a lot of fun activities for families and kids alike. Speaking of fun, let's now head over to Republic Wake Park, which is one of the main attractions here in Nuvali.
Welcome to Republic Wake Park. This is a modern wakeboarding facility here in the middle of Nuvali. So let's take a closer look.
It's a massive complex that's open from Monday to Sunday and even allows you to do night wakeboarding on the weekends. And when we went into the reception area, we found that you could borrow gear here, so whether you're a beginner or a professional or advanced wakeboarder, it's a very friendly environment. On top of this, there's a pool where you can just relax, there's a restaurant with quality food, and if you want to spend the night, there are affordable and reasonable quality cottages so that you can even spend the entire weekend here. After all that excitement, it's now time to relax and head on over to Ayala Mall Soledad, which is the main leisure, lifestyle, and retail complex in the Soledad development. Taking a look at the mall, it's a big complex. There are so many wide open spaces that allow you and your family to just relax and enjoy. It's a very friendly and vibrant environment, but at the same time, it's very laid back, as you can see. So imagine you're just here on a weekend walking around with your family and friends, just having a good time and then staying over for a nice dinner and then just walking around the different bazaars and stores and shops and enjoying this growing and vibrant community. Speaking of community, here are some key community features. A 102-bed general hospital called Quali Med Hospital. A True Value and Robinson Supermarket store. And an SNR membership shopping center. Now, after spending nearly 2 days going all around the different attractions in Nuvali, I was able to appreciate that living here isn't just about the houses and lots. It's also about the quality schools, the great businesses, the great hotel, a great lake, a great mall, and a great leisurely and recreational lifestyle in a growing and nurturing community for you and your family. Now, let's do a quick recap to see the different sites that we were able to visit so that you can truly appreciate Nuvali. So let's start with Camp N, followed by Republic Wake Park. Then there's the Ayala Malls. Then there's the 24-hour hospital, Quali Med. We also have SNR membership shopping, Robinson Supermarket and True Value, the Lakeside Evo Zone, which has businesses that are thriving and growing, Xavier School Nuvali, Miriam Nuvali, and Seda Hotel. As this list keeps on growing and growing, it's exciting to see what's in store for Nuvali in the next 5 to 10 years and beyond. We hope this video was able to answer our first question, which was, would you live or invest here? And if your answer is yes, or yes, and I want more information, you can get in touch with us in the number or email shown here, or you can click the description and we can send you information on the quality properties here in Nuvali. So click that like button if you like this, click the subscribe button for future quality videos. Thank you for watching and we hope to hear from or see you soon.